everyone. Today I am going to talk about the topic environmental implication of brick. What is the environmental implication of the brick? The demand of brick is increased due to the development, growth and modernization of economy. In India, brick is the major building material and number of brick industries grown very rapidly. Burnt clay brick industry follow an old age inefficient technology of coal-fired full-strength kiln. Brick kiln industry created many environmental problems, human health problems, and affected the plant and animal life. By using coal as a fuel to burn bricks continuously for a long time, brick manufacturing process contribute global warming and climate changes. It releases many kind of air pollutant in atmosphere such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide, fluorides, particulate matters, etc. Then we have to know what is a brick. Brick is a masonry unit made from primarily earth materials. Then bricks are composed of the earthen materials such as clay, sand and soils. Silty clay looms and silty clay soil most most produce good result and are widely available. Both unfired and fired bricks are common in structure throughout the world. Then we have to move to the topic of the manufacture of clay brick. What are the steps involved in the manufacture of clay brick is the preparation of the brick clay, molding, drying and then burning. First of all, we have to know what is the preparation of the clay brick. Step 1. Clay is dug from the ground just a little deeper than the ground level. Stone, pebbles, vegetable matters are removed and clay is exposed to the atmosphere for few weeks. Clay is blended, turned it up and down in vertical direction. The water is added to clay and the whole mass is pressed by the feet of man or the cattle. Then we have to move the second step. Second step is the molding. The clay mixture is placed on the rectangular box of wood or steel which are opened at the top and bottom. There are the two methods of molding. One is the hand molding and another is the machine molding. In hand molding there are two methods. One is ground molded bricks and another is table molded bricks. Machine molding also have the two methods. They are the plastic clay machine, dry clay machine. Then we have to move to the third step, drying the bricks. Bricks are dried before they are taken for the burning. Drying by the tunnels at 120 degrees Celsius about 1 to 3 days or screens are provided to avoid the exposure to wind or sun during the drying period. The step 4 is the burning of the bricks. Clay is heated up to 700 to 1000 degrees Celsius which creates a chemical changes takes place by which alumina and silica in the clay fuse together release a strong and stable brick obtained. Burning is done at clamps or kilns. Clamp is a temporary structure used for the small scale industries. Kiln is a permanent structure used for large scale industry. We have to see the images of the manufacturing process. First of all, we have to see the preparation of the clay, that is the ducking out of the clay. Then we have to mix the clay with the water and press it under the man's leg or the cattle. Second of all, we have to see the molding. These are the molds and ground level mold is done by the humans on the ground. Then we have to burn the bricks at the kilns. Then we have to move to the environmental impact associated with the brick extraction. There are the 6 environmental impacts in the brick extraction. They are environmental impact of air pollutant, change of land pattern, human health impact, ecosystem quality impact, effect of climate changes, consumption of raw material or resources. Environmental effect on air pollution. Carbon dioxide is the primary emission of primary emission for global climate changes. Carbon dioxide emission comparison with fired bricks or and other construction materials as carbon dioxide emissions are most widely reported measure of the climate change contribution. Then change of land pattern. Large area of the agriculture field is used to make the bricks by collecting the soil from the depth of 1 to 2 meters. Bricks are burnt continuously for 6 to 7 months by using coal. It may affect the soil composition of nearby area and the productivity of the agriculture. Human health impact. People who lived within the radius of 500 meter to 1 kilometer distance near the kiln due to the smoke and dust, they suffer many diseases like long-term respiratory problems like asthma, TB, etc. People suffer respiratory or breath problems and some lungs related diseases also. Coughing and snoring is a very common diseases during the production season. Ecosystem quality impact. Damage caused to ecosystem in terms of no number of species which might be affected due to the emission. Largest contribution in clay preparation derived from aluminium emission occurring in a coal mines. Aluminium emissions are also used also as a contributor during the firing due to the use of coal as an internal fuel. Effect of climate changes. Climate change consider the effect of all emission that contribute the global warming. Main contributing process is firing and the cause is fuel fossil and the cause is fossil carbon dioxide emission comes from the combustion of the coal. Consumption of raw materials or resources. The main impacts are caused by the addition of coal to the clay mixture as this deplete the resource of the coals. Thank you.